Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will review these markers from Arrtx. And before we start the video, one very important thing, please watch the whole video, like the video and subscribe if you are new, I would really appreciate it. So as you can see, I got this bag or box full of markers in front of me, and first of all, the design of the bag looks really good, it's very handy and really high quality. And in the bag we got 90 Arrtx markers, which are also alcohol based markers, which is supposed to be easy to blend, but we will check that out in this video. These markers are very affordable and they come with the price of around $100 for this set of 90 markers, which means a little over $1 for one marker, which really is a very good and fair price. As like most markers, these also have a broad tip, which I use very rarely, and of course a thin brush tip, which I use most of the time. The marker is pretty light and has a very simple design, and I also received the small sketchbook, which is also high quality, and I will definitely find some use for that, but today I will use my own regular coloring paper. And I had a really cool idea for today's drawing, so I will draw some Saiyan eyes with different forms so I can use as many color tones as possible. I will also try to use only the markers I received for this video, but if I need some additional tones which are not in this bag, I have to choose from my own set of markers. I think that's fair. I'm starting with the Super Saiyan form with yellow hair, and I already choose the right color tones for this, and as I just said, I needed a few extra tones for my own set, as in this bag of 90 markers I received from Arrtx, I don't have a really big variation of skin tones to choose from, which are the most important tones in my opinion. I only got a few very bright skin color tones, but unfortunately not one tone to add shades to the skin. But I'm sure in another set of Arrtx markers there will be a lot of color tones for that. So as for the skin, I mainly have to use my own markers, but other than that I really like the colors. They are not that vibrant as other markers I own, but we can really blend them very well and they are really easy and smooth to color with. I am able to color very even with them, and I feel like I don't have to use as many layers to color the area very evenly, which is a very good thing for me. So what is your impression, guys? Let me know that down below. I will now continue just like this for the rest of the drawing, and as for the next forms, I will draw Super Saiyan God with the red hair, Super Saiyan Blue, Super Saiyan Rose, so we can use some pink tones, Legendary Super Saiyan for some green tones, and Ultra Ego for some purple tones. That way I am able to try out this whole set of 90 markers, which is a very good idea I think. So now let me finish this drawing and then I will tell you my honest opinion of these markers. Hit like and let's go. Alright guys, last touch, and then we are done with this drawing. I think the drawing turned out great, very colorful, clean and eye-catchy. So my honest opinion of these markers, they are really good. Very strong color tones, the brush tip is very soft, which helps you a lot to color smoothly. The colors blend very well, but as I said earlier, in this set I really had no variations of skin tones, just the very bright ones. For some shading I had to choose from my own color selection, but other than that I really like these markers, and for the price of around $100 for 90 markers, it's a very fair price. And you can definitely try out these markers if you ask me. In the info box you can find links to the set I used today, so take a look. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon if you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this in full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and for commissions message me on Instagram. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using and this 90 set of markers. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you all on the next